Hey, what's going on YouTube? I am Jeff with SSH Drones, and we are going to discuss 10 likes and 10 dislikes about the DJI FPV quad. Let's dive right into it. Let's go. I come from the GPS drone world and always had an admiration for FPV. However, I could not get my foot to the door, and I truly believe that this is the drone which bridges the gap for me. I think there are way too many learning curves in the school of hard knocks of FPV, and I decided to skip the class of building and assembling and configuring a quad. I have decided that my learning curve should be solely flying the quad. So here are my 10 likes and 10 dislikes about the DJI FPV quad. Like number 1, the video has a clear feed compared to analog. Like number 2, the camera shoots 4K at 60 frames a second and 1080p at 120 frames per second for that smooth, buttery, slow motion footage. Like number 3, the simulator is available for practice, and I have a video coming up covering the DJI virtual flight simulator and also compatibility with Velocidrone. The DJI controller is compatible with Velocidrone simulator. Next, the RTH comes in really handy when you have no idea where you are. Sport mode is a ton of fun. Next, the battery. You can definitely tell the percentage of the battery that you have left. The goggles can be paired from an audience to watch your camera feed. Like number 9, pretty much the whole immersive experience, so you don't have to rely on your phone to see the camera feed. You can pretty much just use the goggles, and that's pretty cool. And the last one, the pause button, the return to home, comes in really handy for your oh crap moments. So now, here are the 10 dislikes. First, the battery life of the drone is way too short. About advertised 20 minutes of battery life, but in real time it's only 15 or maybe close to 12. This sucks. No Android, iOS only. That sucks. It is way too expensive for your wallet. $12.99 retail. Your wallet is gonna have some issues with you, and your bank account as well. DJI Care Refresh is expensive. It's $200, and also once you return the quad, you will get a $259 deductible for your first replacement and $279 for your second replacement deductible. That is way too much money. Oh yeah, the fear of crashing the $12.99 drone is real. Yes, you will get some moments where you will your pants when you fly that quad. The DJI Virtual Flight Simulator is available on iOS, no Android. That sucks. If it is your first time buying a drone, don't buy it. Just get the Mini 2. Way cheaper. The cords of the goggles get tangled up if you don't have the adequate bag for it. While you're flying, you can definitely see your propellers in your camera feed. That sucks. Flying the Acro is hard. It takes some time to learn. Ultimately, this debate can be resolved with 2 questions. Who is it for, and what would you like your learning curves to be? GPS drone world pilots will definitely have an appreciation for this quad, while the expert FPV pilots may not like this quad as much. But then again, this is my 2 cents on this debate. Like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell notification for my recent videos. I am Jeff with SSH Drones, and I'm signing off. Where you at? You don't know? Where'd you go? Oh, what? Aircraft is landing.
I don't see it.
Aircraft is landing.
You can't.
Oh, aircraft is landing.
You can't override it.
No.